Welcome back. So this is the first of two videos where I will be shaping the stringers and the keel. I'm going to start with the stringers because I think they're a little bit easier to do. So that's what this video will be. Looking at the 3D model, we see that shaping the stringers is really just about following the natural curves that the frames have designed. So this video is less about technique and more about picking the right tool. Like Dan Lee, I started with the wood plane, but that would require skill and a knowledge of how to sharpen a wood plane. I also tried using a handsaw, but this required space that was not available within the boat. But I did learn that I will need to remove the silicon bronze screws. In the end, the power planer was just the right tool. Now, let's get to work. What I'm going to do is just start with a batten and then come across and put it on the stringers. On the frames, and just mark it. Just coming in a little tighter so you can see that line. Using a thin batten that can bend over the frames is important as we move forward in the boat. To avoid ruining my friend's power planer, I remove all the silicon bronze screws above the line. From this point forward is just a lot of power planing. Oops. Perhaps too aggressive with the power planer, but I'm confident we can fix that later with fairing and extra epoxy. Next, we repeat the process on the starboard side stringer. That will do it for the stringers. In the next video, I'll be shaping the keel and the stem. Till then, cheers.